everyone, welcome back to compilersutra. This is the video 2 in our series of how to build your Markdown Link Checker tool using Bash and Python. In the previous video, we saw what the tool will do and why it is matter, especially for maintaining good documentation. In this video, we will dive into the Bash foundation, the essential command that will power up our tool. Before we jump into the coding Bash script, we need to understand three important concepts. First, Markdown Link Check. Second, find and dash how to take CLI argument. So in Markdown link check, we need to check link inside the MD file and find to locate all Markdown files in a directory. And the CLI argument to make the script dynamic and user-friendly. Let's break each one. Markdown Link Check is a CLI tool built with Node.js. It scans a Markdown file and checks if the links inside are valid or broken. To install it globally, use npm install -g markdown link check, but note, npm should be pre-installed for that sense. Then try running it on one MD file as shown on the screen. Markdown link check and your MD file name. It will output a status of each link, if it is working or it's broken or how it is. This tool does the actual link checking part in our project, and the second part is the find command. Now imagine you don't have one MD file, you will have 20 Markdown files spread across multiple folders. You don't want to check them one by one manually, right? That's where the find command in Bash comes. Find.-type f-name star.md. Here what does it mean? Here dot means start from the current directory, -type f means look for the files, and -name star.md filter out Markdown files. This command recursively searches through your project and returns path of all MD files. You can combine it with a loop to process each file automatically. Next, let's make our script flexible. Instead of hard coding the folder path, we let the user to provide it like this. Inside our script, we have to include $1, which represents the first argument, which is the path. So we can write target_dir, find target dir, -type f-name star.md. This is the way the same script can be reused in any repo with any folder path. That's the power of CLI argument. So now we have everything we need: Markdown link checker, find, and bash CLI argument to passing any folder dynamically. In the next video, we'll combine this and actually write the basic working bash setup for our tool.